On this, it's
Yeah,
melted,
so-
hasn't it?
No way, no way. I don't know if they're gonna take it off. The guy said they're gonna take it off, but I don't know if they're gonna take it off. Yeah, press it. Hey, no, that would kill. Absolutely ages to be able to get that squared away. Oh. Morning guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video of the Trucking UK. What's she doing now? she's making tea and she's warming up the water in this. To be honest, I should have thought about it like a really long time ago. I got something else that I actually do make coffees in, but not being able to use it because the cooker, what's it called? The ants.
On this, it's
Yeah,
melted,
so
hasn't it?
the ants won't go on it. So you just go straight on it, and you can't have it because it burns and stuff. This is really South American. I think the Italians use it as well. I'm not too sure, but this is how I make the coffee. The coffee goes on the bottom and the water, and then comes out in here out of the holes, and then you got a coffee, and it's amazing. Colombian coffee, any kind of coffee. It's powdered coffee that goes there. To Liverpool, we in Hog right now. We wake up like quite early this morning, 2 o'clock, to be able to make here on time. Is that ready?
Yes, tea's ready, my love.
Hold on. All right, time to go. So which one are we ringing? The one or the two? Did something.
Well done.
I don't know where we're going now. Okay, my mirror's close to that. I'll be back in a second anyway, so just have a quick check then and come back. Oh. All right, this is what's gonna happen. When I'm in the office, I'm gonna move forward, and they're gonna take the container off. After they take the container off, they're gonna load on the floorboard because we are a little bit early. They're gonna do it in a while, not straight away.
Okay.
All right, we're just packing in that box there, and then we take the twist lockers off, and they're gonna just take it off and do their thing, and then we get out of here. That should be all right there. Let's go and take the twist locks off. So, taking that off, I need to hold this with my head because these things are not working properly. I need to get it fixed. It's been a long drive. I wake up dead early this morning to get here on time. And what's gonna happen is they're gonna take the container off, they're gonna load it on the floor, and then they're gonna put it back on, and then I'm gonna go after that. It's gonna go to the docks. So let's do that. Oh, that's actually quite good. You're using the thing. Just look. Oh, get back in the truck. Actually, gonna go and talk to them, see what actually is gonna happen. I need to go and talk to them. I don't know if they're gonna take it off. The guy said they're gonna take it off, but I don't know if they're gonna take it off. All right, look at that.
We're fascinated.
There we go, container goes up. So the container comes off, and then we just move forward, and they're just gonna load on the floor. So that's all right. That wall looks absolutely disgusting. I want to get that sorted at least this month or something. At least the cup it smells good. So that's amazing.
Yes. Happy? Did you think you'd let me have a go?
You want to have a go at that? Quite impressive, that thing. Should be out of here like pretty quick, I guess.
Yeah. It puts.
Just gonna have a look at what's going on in here. Look at that thing. Just want to make sure everything inside is like properly done and not strapped down. It's like just space, and then they fall over, and then I turn over and the roll and all that. So double check that first. So check this out. Look how big this thing is, and look at the size of my drawer. It looks like a baby in front of this. Look at this. A tire is nearly the size of me. It's quite amazing. That I'm gonna ask the guy how long does it take to go and do a course for this. All right, so it can lift up to 46 tons. Each of the tires is $3 grand a piece, brand new, and they just changed the 6 of them. So 6 times 3, so 9, so 18,000 pounds just on tires. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. I'm just gonna stick to the truck. I'm just be happy with that. Getting one of them things. No way. No way. No, absolutely no way. Anyway, they got all the stuff, all the crates ready. Should be all right in a couple of minutes. I guess we'll be able to get out of here soon. So get here, nearly done. But obviously, before we do that, then lock has got to go on. It's only 4 then, so it's not even that difficult. And here we go to the office now. Woo. So we're literally like trying to park in here, and it's like chaos going on everywhere. The amount of paperwork I just got giving.
Really?
All right, let's get out of here then. I don't know why they just put a container on that, like they're just blocking everybody in. I don't know, they're doing a lot of work there, so I don't know. Not my depot, not my problem. It's my daylight too.
Oh wow, look at the sun.
Oh wow. I bet you somebody trying to do a U-turn here. See guys, probably trying to pick somebody up. Go mate. We go back to the 62, mommy.
Liverpool. So who do we need to speak to?
So it's that company that I got told to the back loads for. It's Warston Bornston. I'm very foreign, sorry today. I can't help it. What's it called?
The people who make the bread.
Yeah, the orange one.
What are they called again?
Warston Borns.
Warburtons.
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 Yeah.
This one. I think it's that one.
Is it?
Yeah, this guy. Oh, no,
it's not.
No.
This orange them.
Yeah, it's them!
No,
It was! Are you seeing it in the top?
I said Scania.
We're gonna drop this trailer now, and afterwards, I think we're collecting an empty container for the next place. So that should be easy to collect, and then back to the yard. So. Alright guys, we're in the docks now. I just got the paperwork now, and we're gonna go inside the docks. Drop a trailer, and then we're collecting one as well, and then we should be ready to go then. Jesus Christ. And that's about it. The guy's already gone through. All I need to wait for the second trailer to come in now. So because I'm collecting the 40, I just have to change the pin. I was in the 3rd one, now I'm gonna be on the 4th one. So all I gotta do is drive just a tiny bit forward. It should click, and then should be everything all right. Just put the twist lock on and then back to the yard. Even though it takes a little bit more time, just double check them. It takes 2 seconds just making sure everything is fine on the doors and all that. Alright, let's get out of here now. What a stressful time this has been. Wow, like things coming off and off. Just it was a seagull on there. Wow, what a stressful being this. The docks is like a stressful place to be.
It is. It's like organised chaos, isn't it?
Somebody has to do it. What this does is scans your trailer to see what's inside before it comes into the UK or before it goes anywhere. I thought you meant to go slow, and this is bombing it down there.
Isn't it 3 miles an hour?
I think so. Well, off the thing probably. Some guys trying to like take us over like rapidly, like mate, chill out, like we all going to the same place.
We're in a V8, it's got no chance. So we're at Skem truck stop now, and we were going to get the truck washed, but if you can see there is a massive queue. So I don't think that's going to be happening today. Just trying to sort it out now.
So basically, because of the time,
yeah,
they got all of them to wash. Because they got all of them to wash, it's only they won't be able. So it's about 3 hours then.
Wow, really?
Yeah, because it's only 2 people washing now. So it's just that little bridge over there, and so much traffic as well. Got in here with a massive container too. Sometimes people go over that white line and it just causes melee because the truck's like caught off. Okay, that should be alright. Look at it, he gave me a little bit of space, just take a little bit wider here. Alright. Just get him in. Basically, we're going back to where we parked the last time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and have a little look and let me know if you're too close to that. Thank you. Oh. What's up? All good? Yeah, sorry.
I was going to get your pants off for you, not sure.
So,
Do you want to do it?
hold on.
Stiff, isn't it?
Let's see which one is. There you go, that way.
That way?
Yeah. I'll let you in there. Let me be back in 2 minutes. Let's see how long it takes you. Oh. Back in there. Little bit of exercise for the day.
No, hold your breath.
Yeah, I should do that. It's alright. No, that's it.
Should I put a complaint in?
I know, I told you. I said that.
Put my hair up for this one.
It's nice. We're just going to give it a wipe down.
Get me doing all your manual labour jobs here.
To be honest, yeah. Yeah, I've seen it. So somebody comes and help us out to put it in there, and then that's it. We'll be back in a sec. Yeah, press it. Hey, no, that will kill. All right, press it. There you go. So you're probably gonna get shampoo there. Oh, you gotta press this one.
Hey up.
So hold. There you go.
Have you got soap?
Sorry?
You got soap?
In there.
Oh, soap's already.
So hold on. So I think that's the soup. So you turn it that way. See, try.
Got soap.
Yeah, there you go. It's gonna come out now. Why don't you,
Yeah.
Mary? Stop her. Just go far as you can at the back, and then I pull this so it clicks on it. So we're just on the outside now, and the camera went off. Sorry about that, but it's still cleaning. Look at that.
Like a dry rat.
At least I get help. That's good. We just cleaned the truck in between us, and she was like doing.
As wet as me.
She was doing everything pretty much. I let it use the soaping thing, and then I went with the brush around. A lot of work doing all this, boy. Yeah, I enjoy it. It's worth it. It's always worth it. So gonna put this back in and come back after I pack it up. So let's go and pack this truck. So I basically want to paint this one, so I bought spray paint for it. So I want to take it off and just sand it down and just take all the little bit of rust on it, and then I just find out they stick on like that. So, and it's everywhere. So that one is the only one that's got a paint, but that one is like that, and that one I'm about 20 of them, to be fair. It's gonna take me absolutely ages to be able to get that squared away. And Jesus Christ, to be honest, they do need painting as well. At least with a spray paint, take it off, put a base layer, and then repaint it on top of that. And just by the proper paint they need, was scratch all of it, bit by bit. It's just a project. I want to get this truck up to standard, and at least it's a little clean. It's not nothing magical or anything like that, but I'm ready to go and pack, and we're ready to go. So let's go and pack this truck and get out of here. Wow, it's been a long day. We started 3 o'clock this morning, and it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so that's 12 hours. Well deserved. Okay, I gab around too much, so let's get out of here. Can you guide me out?
Of course I can,
Hey, it's at the front. Yeah. Gee, this is gonna be funny. This is gonna be funny. This. I know I can get out just straight there. Like I definitely know I can get out there just without moving the steering wheel. It's just nice to have somebody in the front just in case.
I need to download the card.
I need to go and park.
Should I move the car on
Yes,
the
if you can.
Pass my bag because my keys are in there.
All right, there you go. Just take the whole thing.
You what, love?
Just take the whole thing.
What?
Just take the whole thing.
Take the car?
No, take the bag.
Okay.
At least the truck's clean. That's all I wanted it. Oh. All right, this is the end of the vlog, and that is me closing the door. But that's not the end of the day. Oh, finish work. The works carry on with you. I'm not operating. Never ends.